Ever dreamt of having a conversation with a grasshopper? Maybe not. But what about a business phone number that sounds suspiciously like a famous insect? Grasshopper, a virtual phone service, offers a convenient way to manage your business calls. But with a name like that, a question pops up. Can you actually text a Grasshopper number? The answer might surprise you, and it all boils down to how Grasshopper works. Let's ditch the crickets and delve into the world of virtual phone systems. Imagine having a dedicated business line without needing a bulky desk phone. Grasshopper provides a cloud-based solution, essentially a virtual phone number that rings to your actual phone, mobile or landline, or even forwards to a team member's phone. Now, texting gets a little more interesting. Traditionally, phone numbers aren't designed for text messages. They're meant for voice calls. However, some phone service providers, including Grasshopper, offer a feature called SMS/MMS messaging. This allows you to send and receive text messages through your Grasshopper number. Here's the catch. Texting functionality depends on your Grasshopper plan. The basic plan might not include it, while higher tiers might offer it as a standard feature or an add-on. So, before you start composing witty text messages to potential clients pretending to be a Grasshopper, not recommended. Check your plan details or contact Grasshopper support. But wait, there's more. Even if your plan allows texting through your Grasshopper number, it might not work exactly like texting a regular mobile number. Here's why. Delivery. Texting a Grasshopper number might not be as instantaneous as texting a friend. The message might need to be routed through their servers first, causing a slight delay. Features. Don't expect all the fancy features you get with regular texting. Sending GIFs, emojis, or even attachments might be limited depending on Grasshopper's capabilities. Replies. When someone texts your Grasshopper number, their reply might not come directly to your phone. It could land in a web interface or app associated with your Grasshopper account. So, is texting a Grasshopper number a viable option for your business? Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Limited texting needs. If you only require occasional text communication with clients, a Grasshopper number with texting might suffice. Internal communication. It can be a good option for internal team communication within your business, especially for quick updates or reminders. Prioritize voice calls. If your business revolves primarily around voice communication, a Grasshopper number with basic call forwarding might be all you need. Remember, even if texting isn't ideal for your Grasshopper number, you can always include your regular mobile number on your website or business cards for text inquiries. Here are some additional factors to consider. Target audience. If your target audience heavily relies on texting for communication, offering a texting option through your Grasshopper number might be beneficial. Industry standards. Certain industries might have texting as a common communication practice. Research your industry norms to see if texting is expected. Professionalism. While texting can be convenient, consider if it aligns with the overall professional image you want to portray for your business. Ultimately, the decision to text or not to text a Grasshopper number depends on your specific needs and communication style. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.